Yes, so today's video is a video that was shot and edited by my friend Gangzilla, aka Gang, aka Jermaine. So this video is about Jermaine and I changing the water pump on his 1 Series M. I hope I got that right. 1 Series M. Basically, the 1 Series M is a 3-liter 1 Series. His had a manual transmission. I don't know if all of them come with that, but his had the manual transmission. Very nice car. It uses an electric water pump, and the water pump stopped working, so we had to change the water pump. Hello. And we actually used a YouTube tutorial to do it because we had no idea what we were doing. So we did the change. The video is kind of funny. We use pure Jamaican patois in the video, but Jermaine added a lot of subtitles so people could understand what we were saying. And it's basically just a fun video, a funny video, because we don't really know what we're doing, but we're just trying to change this water pump. So I hope you like the video, and I'm bringing out more videos that will be, more fun videos, more videos about Japan coming as well. Driving videos. I'm working on getting a camera mounted in the car right now. I'm standing here looking at her, beautiful. And as soon as I get those videos out, or that camera mounted, I'll have those videos out for you. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. All right, so we're about to start rolling. Mr. Gangzilla prepares place. We have the bicycle pump holding up the bonnet. The gas pump them now function right now. So the heavy duty jack just roll out.
It looks like you know a jack up there.
Jack go up and over. Did you catch a wheel them?
Yeah, man.
No, I know they say if you catch the front part, you go on jack still.
Front of it?
At the back, yeah, the front of the back wheel. It's alright, go on jack, kind of really matter in the pan. Because if it all run, out of the way it all run go.
True? I say front me a jack up in it, so.
Go on jack still, really. You think you're not going to drop off of this jack, yeah? And the handbrake up, not true? Yeah, so it's supposed to, alright.
I'm going to use some bossy, that'd be mine.
See how the whole of the back wheel lift up. Go on jack.
The next, why me catch this car?
Go on jack, man. Jack till it turn over.
Not true?
It go near the wall, you know.
What am I doing now?
Jack stand him.
Jack's on the back wheel, not true?
No man, you're going to put the jack stand where the jack is now.
I know the Shmi, the dude that work with Shmi, you never seen him on the camera yet?
No, the other day I go up on the camera, man.
Shmi?
The other
dude
dude
that work for Shmi?
Shmi the Ghana States. And him now. Go on.
Reverse it, you know.
You have to go and go tell me when to stop.
Come back, you.
Key drop somewhere.
Yeah, man. Keep that.
Alright. Tell me when you have enough space. You don't have enough space?
Yeah.
I'm the worst.
You can't say you don't put this up in the middle of the thing.
Man, chocolate.
Yo! Dian what, son? Dian one boy!
Oh my gosh.
Check them gun like, you know?
Man move like something down for the roller bit. Oh gosh.
Oh, we big stone there.
You don't know where it is.
we're going to set the big today. Put in my
Man, a jack up car and wheel no catch. You catch it?
Yeah.
Watch out. Look where my catch it with. Big stone. Cause Bima not come with no farmer jack or nothing for catch wheel. If you have a Toyota now, you don't have them things there. But that's how you go still.
first world problem.
First world problems.
You see?
One
Like Jacob came here like hear them sound there now.
I said to you, man. Roller bed possess.
Look if you see the muffler or the bumper. I catch you. You know say Jack move?
Now watch that. Go and move, see me.
Jack stand now.
Go on, man. And done?
Done.
Eh? Alright, put the jack stand up on the other side then.
Should be here a little bit to see if it's firm.
I say it. Go on again. Go on again. Yo, the man that top the car. The good man.
Well, I'm going to look too tired put under this. I want to
Jackson not no safer than Jackson, brother.
But tire make it double safe.
If you feel so, but Jackson no move.
Shake.
Right now I'm going to slide under the car and check to see where the water pump is, electrical water pump, right? So we're going to use our trusty sliding bed here. Let's see if enough space is under here. Look for my hand down. On them finger. Where you see?
Engine oil.
Okay.
It's clear. And if you see, that don't look right.
Not right at all. Whenever you're bad man, you have to change.
I see your money off. I buy.
No, I wanna Hitachi.
Hitachi this youth. Can't go
My one
wrong.
is not Hitachi.
What you have? We have. Him sister.
I must say Hitachi me have. Usually I don't work without gloves, you know.
I have some gloves, man. Me have the cotton one.
It's too late now. If you got the gloves for dirty hand. If you know when you can at this, you have a light. Although sometimes it's stressful because the light sometimes come on when you need it. Kill the battery.
So I just yeah, see?
You do me can't see it. Wait. So take down the whole of this here.
Yeah, man. We don't need it till next shocking.
I was shocking time you don't need it.
That's true?
Keep it under there, understand?
You couldn't just wait. Oh yeah, me see me now. Me see pump. Me see pump.
Okay.
Now, you have to pull it. This have to come out in front of you, you know. You pull it back to the car.
Move the light, I should be right back.
Alright, it's right at the center, right?
Where a cup then? What is it lovely down?
Alright now. You see right where?
But screw. Man. What is it now?
Alright, well, I'll come more to your side now. Right. Look up under this. See, I walked up. Look. See there? I hit that, you know. You see that bar you can swing out of the way them saying. The dude.
What, this is the water pump?
Yeah, that and the thermostat beside it. Me have the DIY video in there. You wanna watch him?
This is the water pump?
Yeah. Something's wrong with the car, man.
1, 2.
You have to move the water pump and the thermal. You see this? The hose here?
Come here. Do not talk.
The hose here? Well, come on. I want you to watch the video, man. Don't go there. No. Movement number 2.
Number what?
Tools.
Movement number tools.
Cut. Movement number tools. The crownage. Him say want to kind of pry it a little bit, you know. Make some might drain out first. And then, because if you put everything, it just gush out in your face. You know, pull off. Tight. Well, he must say you just dry it a little bit. What you going now? Look where you going now. Look at it. Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Okay.
Him say you have to you loosen the clamp?
Starting to lose the coolant.
Him say for you loosen the clamp, you know, it's supposed to just easy to come off the same.
And we'll work the end of this hose a bit. And we're going to use this connection here to drain the majority of our coolant. All of our connections, as we get them loose, will drain coolant. So we need to be ready for that. But we'll drain the majority right here. And rather than just popping the hose fully off,
Well, and if you do change the brake rotor, you have to pull out the whole of them something.
like this, that way we'll make less of a mess.
The rear rotor, you have to pull out the whole of them something.
And when we come back,
This, and that one there.
Which one?
Okay, sir.
okay, now we're just about drained. We did work
This.
the hose back just far enough to drain a little bit faster, but not so much that we would have just a big gush going all over the place. So we were able to control the drainage pretty well. Now, as I noted, this is just one drain point. As we take off each hose, we will lose more coolant. I'm going to take this hose clamp and pull it out of the way.
A coolant? You know, there, no. Eh? The coolant? The water, basically water.
Why you think say water? If I water work, then just put water in it.
Open the reservoir up on the top, I'll make it turn. Yeah, hold it?
No, you hold it to one and there.
Hold on.
Now it's moving freely. Okay, now we're ready to remove the two lower mounting bolts on the water pump, and then we will go.
You get them off in the car, get them on. From there's a wheel, there's a way.
Draw the hose to the front of the car. Pull it down. Right, hold it there, son. Dry down a little more. Alright, hold it there, son. The chin. Draw the hose and answer. Hold on.
Alright. Stiff. You ain't reaching there? You ain't long.
It's rocky.
It rocky, never move.
That's much of them on there.
Alright, one of them. Let me see what him do. Cut. You hear me? I have a next video for reassembly it, you know, and then reverse it, you know.
There we go, it's all.
Talk to my boss. How far reach? Did you ever get him out yet? It a screw?
Well, screwy Vicks.
But I don't understand how a female vlog on your face and I go like a video. If you look.
We like that. Shine a light. Up and light.
Alright.
You can't see.
Yeah. Water pump finally removed.
One little turbo in.
Yeah, hurry up, my youth. Wipe your boat. That one day I go for the vlog.
Tastes bad.
No deal. You might grow a week. How it tastes?
But sure. You want me to go put some water out there, man? Yeah. Alright, where am I?
Sure did. Thermostat. New. No, damn. The water pump. New, old. Where's the thermostat? The brand new thermostat over here. Thermostat is still left in the car. This man here just drink some green juice.
What?
Yes, people. Live, but the battery got dead here now. Damn.